Okay, so guys, today I have something a little bit different. We have a hair video. It was a very like spur of the moment, impulsive kind of purchase, but I just thought one day I really want to crimp my hair, and I don't know where these came from. I must have seen maybe a picture on Instagram of someone with crimped hair, and I just thought I want a piece of that. I just don't know, but anyway, I was on Amazon before I knew it, and I am now the proud owner of a pair of fabulous crimpers. Are we back in the 1980s? Possibly, because actually no, because in the 1980s I didn't even have a pair of crimpers, or in the 90s or the early 2000s. So I'm actually revisiting a childhood dream here. I always wanted crimpers and I never had crimpers. Like, to put it into perspective, guys, of how without things I was. Like, I say that like I had a bad childhood. I had a really great childhood, but I didn't even have hair straighteners. I used to straighten my hair with an iron on the fucking ironing board. So that kind of sets the scene for you as to how I was living back in those days. But anyway, so yeah, I mean, here are my crimpers. Like, this is my childhood dream. Next, I'll have Mrs. Twinkletoes and a Samuad dog, because they were also two of my childhood dreams that I never got. Today I'm going to be crimping my hair for the very first time, and I'm so excited. My hair's looking particularly shit today. I know it's always looking particularly shit, but even more shit today I feel, because I didn't have much conditioner left when I washed it last, and it shows. Basically it's as dry as a nun's vagina, and it's just not looking its best. I mean, really, guys. So I'm just gonna like give my hair a brush. I mean, oh gosh, just when you thought my hair couldn't look any shitter, here it is. So anyway, I'm just gonna brush my hair, and then we're gonna try crimp it. Do I have to straighten it before I crimp it though? Because it's looking very curly right now, because I've just had it in a bun for days. Do I have to straighten it? Please don't tell me I have to straighten it. I'm not going to. I'm going to just brush it and hope that that takes a lot of the curls out. By the way, the crimper that I got is called the Lasting Volumizing Texture, and it's by Babylon. Oh no, it's not. It's called the crimper. So I think these are just like descriptive words to tell you what you're going to be getting for your hair. So it's called the crimper, which sounds like a really to the point name, and I appreciate that, you know. Fast results, defined styling, heat control, all things that I would have expected from my crimper, you know what I mean. I'm gonna get my long suffering hairbrush. I always think to myself, Anwen, you deserve a better hairbrush than this, because like I've had it for about 20 years, but I just can't be arsed. Like, I'm okay with this one. You know, they keep bringing out all of these new hairbrushes, and at the end of the day, I just think, well, I mean, it's a fucking hairbrush. How is it going to brush my hair any different? The day that they invent a hairbrush that will brush my hair for me without me having to do it, maybe I'll consider it, you know, maybe, but probably not, because I actually like being in control, but I just don't like brushing my hair. Oh gosh, I hate brushing my hair. I just hate it. I know it's such a first world problem, but oh gosh, it's just such a boring task, and that's why my hair always looks shit. Look, we've definitely got some of the curl out now, so I think I'm ready to crimp. Oh my gosh, like, so excited. Yeah, I'm not going to straighten it first, because I just think that sounds like it's defeating the object, and also it's doubly damaging my hair. So I'm going to just see if I can get away with just going straight in with some crimping action, you know. So okay, let's get this bad boy out. Normally Honeys is here when I'm unboxing anything electrical, but he's not here today. He's abandoned me. By the way, I know I sound like a 1920s lady here, like, oh, I need a man to be here when I'm dealing with anything electrical. That's not the case. It's just that I'm not very competent at dealing with anything electrical. Like, I'm struggling getting this out the box right now. So Well, hello there, crimper. I don't know, we've got some instructions in there, but I definitely will not be reading those. Oh, well, look at this. Okay, very excited indeed. Oh gosh, guys, I cannot emphasize to you like enough how long I've wanted to crimp my hair for. Probably about 33 years, or probably not, because I probably at the age of 2 wasn't, you know, thinking, oh my gosh, I wish I could crimp my hair. But it's been a long time, guys. It's been a long time. So we've got the crimper, we've got a plug. I feel like I am winning at this whole production right now. So, okay, I'm just chucking everything in the bin because I can't stand having mess anywhere. Says me, with shit just thrown behind my bed off the radiator because I'm trying to be a bit tidier, you know what I mean? This is my production set. OMG, we have a red light. What does that mean? I don't know, I should read the instructions, but I can't be asked. Okay, so we've got the red light and I'm hoping soon it will turn to the green light. Let's just see, shall we? It's still on the red light. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. We can wait, we have time. It's still on red light. Like, what the fuck does that mean? I'm gonna have to actually read the instructions in a minute because I don't know about this whole red light thing. Okay, the instructions, we have them. It says, warning, this appliance gets hot. Well, I should hope so. I mean, really, it'd be a bit disappointing if it didn't. Oh my gosh, I just had a premonition of me having a crimping burn on my forehead. Oh, that would be disappointing. Oh, just give me all the safety information, like, oh. Okay, so I feel like this is the safety certificate or not certificate. It's just giving me boring information. And we're still on the red light. So why are we still on the red light? Where are the other instructions? Oh my gosh, there's no other instructions. What? Like, I actually want to read instructions now, and that never happened. Do I have to press something? Maybe if I press that will do it. I don't know what's happening. Is it getting hot? It's not even getting hot. What? It's beeping. Could you see it beeping? Oh my gosh, I can hear like an ambulance coming. He must have heard Anwen's dealing with crimpers today. Oh my gosh, look, it's flashing red and green, red and green, red and green. Okay, well, I'm glad someone's having a party up in here because, I mean, I'm not. Is it getting hot? It's getting a bit hot. Nothing to write home about. Okay, in your own time, crimper, in your own time. It's still doing its flashy thing. Like, oh no, it's not. Oh my gosh, she's ready. So now she's just on a solid green light. I don't know if you can see that. I think that's telling me, yes, I am ready to go. And I know that I should definitely have some kind of hair protector spray or something, but I do not have any. So I'm just going to have to go in extreme here without some. Okay, shall we do this bit to begin? Oh my gosh, like, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, right. Okay, let's do this. Let's crimp. Crimp, crimp, crimp. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, she does not disappoint. She is crimped. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Because you know what? I think it looks so cool when people have crimped hair. I just love it. How long do I... Oh, I can smell a funny smell though, which... Is that my hair burning? Like, oh my gosh, I hope not. But it's not going to stop me. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so happy with my impulse purchase. Do I just go like this? Oh, guys, oh, feck, yes. Living my dream. Oh my gosh, guys, how cool is this? I've never experienced anything quite so cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm loving it. Oh wow. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Okay, you ready? I'm just going like this. Like, I feel like this is a good technique. This is like so easy to use, guys. Like, I feel like anyone could do this and look at the results. This is so cool. Like, did you ever have a crimper? Or do you own a crimper? Do you crimp your hair now? Should we start like a crimping channel? Just me crimping my hair, and then other people can crimp their hair, and it can just be like one big crimping party. Like, how cool would that be? Oh my gosh. And I'm going to watch Andreas later at school, because he's performing in a ukulele concert, and I feel like I am definitely going to be the only mum there with crimped hair. Like, I think I'm going to look so oh wow, guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like a pop star in the 90s. I'm loving it. Okay, so I'm going to go in here. Like, you don't even need to keep this like held on your hair for long. So I feel like it's barely doing any damage whatsoever. You know, because I'm literally just going, I'm just like sandwiching it. This reminds me of a, you know, like a cheese toasty maker. I used to have one of those. That was great. I used to pack it with cheese and beans, and it was wonderful. Anyway, so this is really good. Oh yes. Oh yes. Like, I'm loving this. And it definitely gives you some volume, which I like, because I've got quite thin hair. So I'm liking the volume it's giving me. And just the general kind of style. It's giving me style. Right now, my hair has never been so much in style in its whole life. I'm going to do like the bottom bit. Oh shit! Fuck, guys, this stool, guys, really, I think it's on its, well, it's not even on its way out. It's done for. That's why I'm sat on the bed, because the stool is going to the tip. It's going to the tip. Right, watch this, guys. 1, 2. Oh gosh, guys, this is amazing. This is just the coolest thing ever, and it's so quick and easy to use. Like, I was worried thinking, I don't have the time for a crimper. That was like my one reason why I wasn't going to get a crimper, because I was thinking, I don't think I have the time for it. But this is like the easiest way to style your hair ever. And I love the look. I love the look. Oh my gosh, right, I'm going to try not to talk now. I'm just going to do some serious crimping. Oh, guys, like, what do you think about this, honestly? Like, don't be afraid to, like, hurt and crush my crimping dreams. Like, it's fine. Just tell me, like, your honest opinion, because I really think this is, it looks so good. I think it looks so good. I don't know if everyone will, but I love it, and that's all that matters. Like, this is like a childhood dream here. Like, I always wanted one of these. And by the way, this cost me £30, so it wasn't too expensive. And I thought it was actually going to be a lot more time consuming than it is. But actually, it's actually really quick and easy, you know. Like, I definitely feel like you could just do this in the morning, you know, before work. And it wouldn't actually take that long, you know. I'm just trying to make sure that, like, I'm actually getting every single bit of hair. Like, Honeys is not going to know what's hitting when he comes home. He didn't even know about this purchase. So he's just going to be like, what? What? I hope he likes it. Do you think he's going to like it? He might want to try it, but he's not really got any hair to try it on. So, oh, poor Honeys. That's a shame. Oh my gosh, guys, I love it. Like, I love it. My hair is very dry at the bottom. So, I mean, that's a disaster in itself, but I'm loving this whole situation. And I feel like it definitely does add volume. If I just put my crimpers down on the table for a sec. Can you see this? If I go like this, can you see how much volume I have? Wow. Wowie. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it, guys. And then you could just go like this a little bit more and just be like, kapow. Well, hello. Oh my gosh. And then if I just like, I don't know, I could do this in my hair in the morning and it would just give me like a boost of volume throughout the day. And I think it would look really nice as well. You know, if like usually I wear my hair up in a bun, but then I love how it looks all, you know, like crimped around the edges, and it just like my hair feels fuller. It feels like I've got a lot more hair, and also my hair just looks so much cooler as well. Guys, I really like these crimpers. I really like these crimpers. I am a crimper for life. I'm a crimper for lifer. A crifer. I'm a crifer now. That's just me, guys. This is me. Oh, what happened then? Oh, I don't know. I don't care. Oh my gosh. I just love this, guys. Should we do a little bit more here? Just because why not? Guys, look at that. Oh, yes. I'll just do a little bit more around here. Okay, so guys, that kind of brings me to the end of this video, but thank you so much for sharing in a long-awaited childhood dream. I would really be keen to know what you think of the crimper. Are you going to join the crimper lifestyle, or are you in the crimper lifestyle? Let me know your thoughts. I just think that I'm loving this so much. Also, if you want a really good pair of crimpers, these are a really good pair of crimpers. The Crimper by Babyliss. I haven't tried any other crimpers, but these have done the job perfectly. So, I would definitely recommend. I've missed a bit, guys, so I'm going to just go... oh, I can't speak. What? I'm so excited. Oh, yes, bitch, yes. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching my crimping video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, Alex, can I just show you something? Alex? Come here, bud. Let me show you the crocodile crimps. I've got to refer to them as the crocodile crimps because, he's totally not interested in having his hair crimped. So I feel like if I pretend that they're some kind of toy, he might. Alex! Come on, bud! Because I want him to be Little Crimp, because I'm Pink Crimps. It's my SoundCloud rapper name. He could be Little Crimp. I mean, really. Come on, Alex! Let me show you the crimps! Are you ready for the crocodile crimps? Come here!
What's it look like?
What? You're not into the idea of this?
Every day.
Yeah. Can you see the crocodile teeth? What are you thinking about? Do you think you might like that? And your hair will go all crimpy. Can you see Mummy's hair's a little bit crimps? Is this an idea that you think you might be down with? That's it. Or you could even crimp my hair if you wanted. I might end up with no hair left. But that's fine, because it'll be fun. What do you think, Little Crimp? Are you gonna be Little Crimp? And we could be like a duo. I'd be Pink Crimp, Pink Crimp, Pink Crimp. And you could be Little Crimp. And then we could get face tattoos next. What do you reckon? We could drink some lean. Or maybe not drink some lean. I mean, probably not. But, Alex, what do you... Oh, Alex, do you want me to crimp your hair later?
Yeah.
Yes! Was that a yes? I got a yes. I'm so excited. Do you have any questions about the crimp? By the way, they're not on, guys. Don't worry.
I don't want to do that.
Okay, well, Alex, we're going to the park now. Anyway, when we come back from the park, we're going to get crimping, okay?
I don't want to go get crimping.
Why do you not want to get crimping?
I want to do it when we do it.
When we get back from the park?
When Daddy comes home.
Okay.